So hello everyone, this is the makeup look that I'm going to create in this very video. If you like it, if you want to do it, if you want to know how to do it, keep watching this video. This would mean a lot to me. uh, just don't skip it and just see. This is going to be very helpful for you and for me as well. So yeah, without any further ado, just let's get into the video. Prep my skin with this moisturizing cream. Like, moisturized skin is better than non-moisturized. I usually go for this little bottle of moisturizer right here, and this one is from Golden Pearl. Other than that, I use this moisturizer from Venenza. The next step is to apply a primer. I usually go for this primer. As you can see, I've used it multiple times, but I also use this one. So just applying one pea size of this primer. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to do some color correction on my face. So there's a technique of using color correctors for your face. If you know how to use color correctors, you can skip 10 to 15 seconds or maybe a minute. But if you don't know, just stay tuned and I'll show you how to use color corrector. For instance, the green in color corrector is used for acne or pimples. Okay, I have maybe 1 or 2 marks here on my face. I have a small acne over here and 2 or 3 over here. Yeah, and then the purples. Okay, sorry. So the purple here, as you can see, is used for any red area on your face. Okay, so for under eyes there are 2 different colors. It's okay. Here's this orange color. This goes well for people who have warm undertone, and yellow goes well for people who have cooler undertones. I'm going to use orange in it. If you don't have orange corrector, you can also use red lipstick and use it as a corrector for your under eye dark circle. Once you've applied the color correctors on your face, the next thing you have to do is to cover it up with a concealer. Just cover them up real nicely. So this is my trick. Many people might not agree with me over this, but this works for me. So yeah. So I'm gonna mix these two and I'm gonna make my own shade. Enough. I'm just gonna apply it over my face. So I'm going to shape up my eyebrows now. The trick is to line your eyebrows underneath and then line the upper area of your eyebrows. Many people have their own way of doing it, but this is how I do it. Don't worry about the extras, because the extra can be wiped off using concealer. So just because if you have hooded eyes, never ever take the edge of your eyebrows farther away from the natural end of your eyes, but I use it for my eyebrows. So just make up a line around your eyebrows, brows, whatever. Just like that. Use a brush to. So I use a concealer or a primer. This way the makeup won't crease. I'm gonna use this palette from NYX, and here I'll be using this color, because right now our aim is to have a natural base closer to our skin so that the primer would stay. I'm going to start with this color. It's perfect for my crease. I'm gonna take a little bit of color, and then the trick is to go from here to here. Just draw it in straight lines, because otherwise you won't be able to find your crease. थोड़ा सा इसको डार्क करने के लिए आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ another dark toned eyeshadow. And this would be it. I'm going to add another dark eyeshadow in the shade of brown around here. This shadow at the ends of my eyes, just to pop it out a little bit more. So once it is done, I'm going to add a very light shade here in the middle of my eyelid. Just this color right here. So this will give a very wide and open look to your eyes. Now I'll be applying this color over here in my inner eyes, inner eye corners, and till the mid of my eyes. This color, I'll use this color for my inner eye corners. Try this color over here on my waterline. Is this waterline? So I'm going to use this color near to my waterline, as close as I can get. I'm going to use a white pencil. अगर आपको लाइनर बहुत बारीक लगाना है, so the trick is to keep the mirror under your chin like that, and this way you will be able to apply the thinnest liner possible. I'm going to find a good mascara in my stock and I'm gonna apply that. This is the mascara that I'm using. It's from Maybelline, and I've heard so much about this mascara from so many people, so I had to buy it. And let's see, this is the first time I'm gonna use it. It does work. Okay. I'm using this lipstick from Hang Fang, and I found it in a dollar store, and I thought it's a win because it's really good. It was something I was looking for. It's an orange red color from Big Flash. Then I'm going to apply maybe this color mixed with this color on my lips, and start from here and I go all the way down to here, and then I do the same to this side. Okay, so another technique, if you have big double chin, अगर आपकी double chin काफ़ी बड़ी है, then you can draw two lines, one here like on your bone, and make a U over here, and then do the same here on my jawbone and above my jawbone. This will give your face a dimension, a V shape that you want. This is an instant age rewind concealer from Maybelline that I love. I'm gonna apply it here, just above where I contoured, and in the middle of these lines. Yeah, here, here, and then again in the middle of the lines. Yeah, and here, and then here. You can see the difference, right? So I'm gonna use this sleeper blush from Focal, and I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. Some people apply it over here, so I'm gonna apply it over here. I'm gonna use this Tarte palette, this one, and in here I love this color. As you can see, I've already used it a lot. Hope you liked it because it was fun doing it. This is the first time that I've been basically talking to you guys while doing my makeup. I didn't do it before, and I also hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section whether you like it, what you liked about it, and whether you would create this makeup look or not. I would love to know your opinions in the comment section below about my makeup look and how I look. So thank you. It would be a big help if you to subscribe to my channel and like this video and like other videos as well. Like, I have tons of videos on my channel that you would find quite entertaining and very educating as well. So just check my channel out. That's a humble request. So yeah, that's about it. This was the look. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.